How successful leaders manage family life. It's not easy being a successful business leader and managing a family life simultaneously. But it can be done if you're willing to make some sacrifices and put in the extra effort. Here are some tips by Samir Bhatt of SHB Advisors on how to make it work. How successful business leaders balance work and family life. Allocate proper family time. You may have a demanding job, but that doesn't mean you should neglect your family. Make time for them every day, even if it's just for a few hours. Let them know that they're important to you and that you'll always make time for them. According to Samir Bhatt, most people make the mistake of thinking that they can't have a successful career and a happy family life at the same time. But it is possible to have both if you're willing to make some sacrifices. Be flexible. There will be times when your family life and your work life will conflict. When this happens, you need to be flexible and be willing to adjust your schedule accordingly. For example, if you have an important meeting at work, see if you can reschedule it for another time so you can attend your child's soccer game. Communicate with your spouse. Make sure to communicate with your spouse about your work schedule and let them know when you'll be available. This way, they can plan their own lives around your schedule and vice versa. This will help avoid any conflicts between work and family time. Having your spouse along the same lines as you will naturally make things a lot easier for both of you. Set some ground rules. Samir Bhatt believes that in order to manage your time effectively, you need to set some ground rules. For example, you might want to set a rule that you won't work after 6 p.m. so you can have dinner with your family. Or you might want to set a rule that you'll only work on weekends if it's absolutely necessary. Whatever rules you decide to set, make sure you stick to them. Follow a proper schedule. Create a schedule and try to stick to it as much as possible. This will help you stay organized and make sure that you're making time for both your work and your family. Of course, you won't always find yourself in this situation as unexpected circumstances can happen anytime. However, you should always try to follow a routine as best as you can. Following a schedule will allow you to complete your tasks in a timely manner and still have time for your family. Make time for yourself. Last but not least, don't forget to make time for yourself. You need to take care of yourself in order to be able to take care of others. Make sure to schedule some me time into your day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. During this time, you can do whatever you want, whether it's reading, taking a bath, or watching TV. You need to be well rested and relaxed in order to be able to focus on work and manage your family life. So make sure to take some time out for yourself every day. Conclusion. The most important thing is to find a balance between work and family life. You can't let one or the other take over your life. Both are important, so make sure you give them the attention they deserve. By following these tips from Samir Bhatt, you can have a successful career and a happy family life. Thanks for watching.